Hi everyone, I'm Chancy and welcome back to our SingularXYZ FAQ series. The laser surveying feature of Horus RTK combines a laser module, visual camera, and IMO technology, allowing users to quickly aim and measure targets via laser with visual assistance, even when the laser point is hard to see with the naked eyes. In this video, we'll go through some key tips to help you achieve more stable and accurate laser measurements in the field. First, configure Horus in rover mode and make sure the receiver obtains a fixed RTK solution. Go to Survey, Point Survey, and complete the IMU initialization before starting the visual survey. A stable fixed solution and successful IMU initialization are essential for accurate laser measurement in the results. Tap the aim icon to enable both the laser and visual aid feature. You will see the live camera view, and when the laser hits the target, a crosshair will appear on the screen, with the laser point aligned at the center. You can zoom in for more precise aiming and then tap Surveying to measure the point. Laser measurement accuracy is heavily related to IMU status. If the device remains stationary for a long time, IMU accuracy may gradually decrease, which can affect measurement precision. You can refer to the yaw angle indicator in SingularPad to judge IMU status. A lower yaw value around 0.2 to 0.3 indicates good accuracy. If the value becomes higher than 0.3, accuracy may be reduced. To quickly recover accuracy, you can work short circle or gently move the device to refresh IMU calibration. For better laser measurement accuracy, it is recommended to use our laser RTK stabilizer or use a bipod to keep the device steady when aiming at the target. This helps reduce hand movement and improves overall targeting stability. By using visual targeting and keeping IMU status stable, you can significantly improve the accuracy and efficiency of laser measurements in real field work. Thanks for watching and see you in the next FAQ. Bye!